Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Cheri. It's so good to see you all again. Today, I want to talk about something really powerful: habits. Have you ever heard the saying, your life is a reflection of your habits? It's a simple idea, but it's incredibly true. Think about it. The small things we do every single day, almost without thinking, add up to create our entire life. Let's take learning English as an example. If you have a habit of studying vocabulary for just 10 minutes every morning, imagine how many new words you'll know in a year. That's over 3,600 words. That small, daily action completely transforms your ability to communicate. The same goes for everything else, from our health to our happiness. So, how do we build good habits and break bad ones? A great book on this topic is Atomic Habits by James Clear. He talks about making good habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. For example, if you want to read more in English, don't hide your book on a shelf. Leave it on your pillow. That makes the habit obvious and easy. Make it attractive by choosing a book you're genuinely interested in, maybe a thriller or a romance novel. Let's break it down further. To make a habit easy, start small. Don't tell yourself you have to study for 2 hours. Instead, just commit to 5 minutes. Anyone can find 5 minutes, right? The goal is to just start. Once you get going, you might find you want to continue for longer. And to make it satisfying, give yourself a little reward. After you finish your 5 minutes of study, you can watch a short, fun video in English. This positive feeling makes you want to do it again tomorrow. Now, what about breaking bad habits? We do the opposite. We make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. For example, if you spend too much time scrolling on social media when you should be studying, make it invisible. Move the apps off your home screen into a folder. Make it difficult by logging out of your accounts every time you use them. Having to type your password again and again is annoying, which makes the habit unattractive and less satisfying. I want you to try something this week. Pick one small, positive habit you want to build. Maybe it's reviewing 5 English flashcards while your coffee brews. Or listening to an English podcast on your way to work or school. Just one small thing. And also, identify one small bad habit you'd like to change. Then, use these ideas to make the good habit easier and the bad habit harder. Remember, you don't need to make huge, drastic changes overnight. The most successful people are not the ones with the most willpower. They are the ones who build better systems and habits. Your daily choices, no matter how small, are shaping your future. You have the power to design the life you want, one habit at a time. Let me know in the comments below what new habit you are going to start this week. I'd love to read your ideas and cheer you on. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.